Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. This guide will help you understand the process, ensuring a smooth and successful repair. We'll cover everything from gathering your essential tools to the final system check. Replacing your AC compressor can save you money and restore your vehicle's cooling performance, making your drives much more comfortable. Let's get started on this important maintenance task. Before diving into the replacement, proper preparation is key for both safety and efficiency. You'll need a few specific tools, including a refrigerant recovery machine, which is crucial for safely discharging the system. Always prioritize your safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Remember to disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical surprises during the process. Now, let's focus on removing the old compressor. First, locate it, usually found on the lower front side of your engine. You'll need to disconnect the electrical connector and the two refrigerant lines attached to it. After that, remove the 3 or 4 mounting bolts holding the compressor in place. With the bolts out, carefully lift the old unit from its bracket, being mindful of any remaining fluid. With the old compressor out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new compressor, aligning it with the mounting holes, and then secure it with the bolts. Reconnect both refrigerant lines and the electrical connector firmly. Next, evacuate the system for at least 30 minutes to remove all air and moisture. Finally, recharge the AC system with approximately 1,000 grams of new refrigerant for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.